Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing K-Tun's brake master cylinder brace that I recently purchased. Now, I know of only two companies that make this brace, one being K-Tune and the other one being Hard Race. I believe Hard Race is the original producer of this kit. Now, the two kits are virtually identical, except for the Hard Race one is going to be in their trademark blue, and this one is going to be in a dark gray metallic. I chose this kit because I preferred this color. It will blend in with my engine bay a little bit better. Didn't want this part to be popping out like the Hard Race one would because, I just don't want it to stand out in my engine bay. Now, if you guys don't know what a brake master cylinder brace is, it's exactly what the description is. It braces or supports your master cylinder. Now, when you hit your brake pedal, typically there will be a little bit of flex within the firewall. That creates a softer brake pedal feel. This will brace that, reducing the flex in the firewall, which will give you a stiffer brake pedal feel. So, is it going to be super noticeable? I'm not really sure. This is the first time installing something like this. I thought it would be a really cool performance part, which is why I'm going to be putting this in my car. So, let's get started and get this installed. All right, first things first, let's get this unboxed. So, this comes with a cool K-Tune sticker, bunch of bubble wrap, the hardware. So this is what the brace looks like right here. This is what it looks like. So I'll show you guys where this goes, but it's got the nice cool K-Tune logo, which I believe is a sticker. So you could just peel this off if you don't want it to show. And this is the hardware for it. All right, so this brace essentially goes right here. Right about here. And it's supposed to support the brake master cylinder right here with the supplied hardware. So really all you do is undo this nut here and then you gotta retorque it down. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then it'll come with two, I believe 10mm bolts that go here and here. Let me show you guys real close where this goes. All right guys, so like I was saying, this will essentially go right here, and then there will be a 10mm bolt right here that goes, and then there should be another one on the side here, like right here. And those are the two bolts that will support it. Essentially like this, as you can see, and then it will just have the hardware right there that will go against the brake master cylinder. Looks like on my car there's a black sticker here that covers up a hole, so I'll have to rip this off in order to see the bolt hole right there. Alright, so the brace is kind of in. It's just not fully tightened yet. As you can see, it's a little bit off from the brake master cylinder. It's not pointing at the center. So I'm going to see if I could bend this brace down a little bit. It's a common thing that I heard from other people when I read about this, that it doesn't perfectly line up with the brake master cylinder. It needs to be bent a little bit. So I'll try that, see if I could bend it down a little bit and get it to be fully lined up. Oh yeah. After hammering it down a little bit, that's way better. We'll go a little bit further. Oh yeah, that's bang on now. Alright, there you go. You can see that this bushing here is pretty much lined up to the brake master cylinder. Before, it wasn't fully centered. It was a little bit further up, but with the hammering down, it's pretty bang on now. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have someone step on the brake while I adjust this, and then release it once I've tightened it down, so that I can see how much play there actually is. All right, step on the brake. All right, guys, so I'm gonna adjust this with the brake completely stepped on right now. That way we can see how much play there is once I've tightened this thing down. All right, so this is actually pretty tight right now. So I'll show you guys up close. Oh, wait until it focuses. So you see that? That's like pretty much bang on. It's a little bit blurry, but it's bang on, pretty close there. Okay, release it. Okay, so now we're gonna see if I could spin it some more. Yeah, there's a little bit more room to spin here, which means this actually has a little bit of play. It's not a whole big deal, but it's just a little bit extra left over. So that tells you that there is actually some play within the firewall when you step on the brake pedal. So I'm going to tighten it up now as is with it without the brake pedal being stepped in. This way we'll get the maximum stiffness of the brake pedal. There we go, guys. It is fully installed, as you can see. Looks pretty cool, and it has that nice K-Tune logo. And you know, the hammering didn't do anything bad to it. Still looks perfect, and it does blend in with the engine bay nicely. There you go, guys. We have the K-Tune Brake Master cylinder brace fully installed, and from the little demonstration with the brake pedal fully pressed down while installing and tightening down that little bushing, we did notice that there is a little bit of play once it was released. So this should actually help with supporting and giving a more stiffer brake feel. If you guys are interested in one of these kits, I purchased mine from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.